Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We're doing study club in third meeting, and we're gonna present our topic. First, my topic is about why music helps us relax.
Asking and giving direction.
The importance of exercise, the quality of life.
Okay, start from me. Why music helps us relax? Music is affect our brain, have a strong effect on the human brain because if we listen to music, our body is releasing chemicals like dopamine that help us feel happy and relaxed. And what type of music that for relaxation? For example, like acoustic, like opera music, and like classical or instrument music, it helps us feel relaxed and also effective for reducing stress and improving sleep quality to some people. And the benefits of music to emotional and our mental well-being is like listening music can improve mood, like reduce anxiety, and help people express feelings too that are hard to explain with words, and also make it a powerful tool for mental health. And real experience of music helping people, like many individuals shares that music help them overcome stress, sadness, or loneliness. Like, for example, like me, when I'm stressful or like there's so much I think I'm overthinking in my bedroom. Maybe sometimes I write music. I make music in my room. That's helped me to fix my mental well-being and reduce my anxiety. So for the conclusion, music helps people to express their feeling and reduce their stress. That's all from me.
Asking and giving direction. This topic is necessary for our students. Why? Because it can help students to communicate in real life situations, especially when navigating public place. This topic teach students how to ask for help, how to provide clear instruction, and how to understand complicated relative vocabulary. It also helps students with their confidence when interacting with strangers in English speaking situations. Why topic is important? Because, well, number one, it relates in real life, our real life, and will college speaking skill and help student understand maps and landmarks. For example, when we go to library from this university, first go straight on the main road for about 200 meters. You will see a small park on your right. You walk in until you reach the traffic light, and the traffic light to the left. Turning continue straight and go past to the office. It's very traumatic metro. The both office. You can put your motorcycle on the park and you go in the neighborhood. basis of our routine.
Okay, the importance of exercise. Exercise is not just for athletes, it is for all of us. Daily exercise helps our body stay fit and prevent disease. It also improves our mood and reduce stress, especially when we are busy with school activity. And we don't need to go to the gym every day, so we can do individual at home or in a boarding house or whatever. Exercise makes our body hot and our mind fresh. So exercise is important for us. Next is the importance of time or the importance of managing time. Time is one of the most precious things we have, and we often forget how meaningful it is. We spend so much of our life waiting for the right moment, or the right feeling, the right opportunity. But sometimes waiting makes us lose things we will never get back. Time doesn't pass, it doesn't come back. So let's fill it with things that matter, good people, or meaningful work. In conclusion, time is a gift. We should treat with respect. Using it wisely means choosing what truly matters.
Okay, that's all from us. I'm talking about ways music is helping people, and my last didn't say that asking giving direction is important for students or people that come to other nation. And Santi said that exercise is also important for some people, or for all people actually. And Lisa said that importance of time is crucial. That's all from us. Thank you.